Good evening, my Son Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matsidi Sayo. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment down below and share it broader and wider as we're building this beautiful, happy community this side. And guys, you are on Dear My Soul. By the way, I'm the twin that just went solo, so I'm doing things for myself, by myself, and of course on my own. So you better congratulate me. Guys, I'm here to talk about the cheaterization that is on our streets. You know what? Our social media is buzzing because of the alleged cheating by mother I myself, I'm disappointed. You know why I'm disappointed? Because that was my favorite couple, but I just hope it's not the truth. Even if it is the truth, it's up to them how they resolve it, it's totally up to them, because the only thing that I want is the end goal of seeing a happy couple. As long as I'm still seeing the happy couple, as long as I still believe that uDJ Zinhle bayamthanda, as long as I believe that uDJ Zinhle is in a very lovely relationship, marriage, for me, I'm happy. How they solve it, it's none of my business. I just want to see the end goal of this couple being the couple goals being what I mean. I don't know if I'm selfish by saying that, but yeah, that's just who I am. That's what motivates me to say, okay, one day I'll find my Mr. Perfect, and then we're gonna fall in love and be married and maybe have that blended family and be so understanding, both of us. I'm an understanding person, so seeing someone who's understanding like bongs, it's like, okay, there are men who are as understanding as me. One day I'll find my match, a man who's very understanding. You get me? So now, as I check the comments down there, somebody said no, before I get to the comments. So today also alleged that uDJ Zinhle is also cheating, right, guys? They're saying that, hold on, as we are on that thing of, okay, Bongs is cheating with this 22-year-old bottle girl from somewhere in Pretoria. DJ Zinhle is also has been. They say she has been. That's what Musa Kaula is saying. It's not me, it's Musa Kaula. It's Musa Kaula who's coming with all these gagas and skagas after skaga. No, he says, no, you know what? DJ Zinhle has been cheating with this guy. I know the guy because I've seen him on a podcast with Penwell. I've seen the guy, but I'm not going to talk too much about him because we don't want to be sued right here. We don't have anything. We've got nothing, I'm sure he can also see Lana siyadlala bantu ke sana. So right now, they're saying that uDJ Zinhle has been cheating with this guy who has funded her Era business, and the guy who has also paid for her house deposit there by Cedar Creek Estate. And I'm like, oh my goodness, Zinhle has been having this house even before Meda. So if the deposit was paid by this guy, it means she has been dating this guy even before dating Meda Bongs. You get me, guys? You get. I don't know if Niantola, because I'm calculating, okay. That's a businessman. I've heard his story. Like, yeah, I listened to like his story on Penwell's podcast. So he's quite prominent businessman. Yeah, I will say rich, because he's in agriculture and all other things. So now, if they're saying that he paid the deposit and the Era business guys started way before Meda Bongs. So now I'm looking at Meda and I'm like, oh God, oh my goodness. So when you are living in a house, so now if Meda joined her in that house, that's why most men will tell you, Hore, Mina, I'll never sleep in a woman's house. Mina, I'll never move into a woman's house. Mina, I'll never go to a woman's house because I don't even know who has paid for that house. Now I understand men who say that. Because most of us ladies, there is somebody paying, somebody paid your deposit, or maybe, you know what? So now this man comes and lives in that house. But guys, And as I was coming to the comments, somebody said on comments, DJ Zinhle has said they are in an open relationship, allegedly. That's what I heard on the comment. That's what I read on the comment. Somebody said, okay, these people are in an open relationship. So I'm like, okay, if they are in an open relationship, I'm also motivated to be in an open marriage. Because when I look at them, I see people who are very happy. So if they know ukuthi we are cheater now we are cheater, and then it means them being in an open marriage, allowing like one another to go and cheat, then it makes them happy. Then I'm like, let me consider this one, Matsidi. So it might as well work for you, because I know I'm a jealous type. I'm very, very jealous. I'm very, very jealous. You know what? But I think it will save my heart, knowing that the man is cheating, but when he comes home, he's not about that person. We are okay, we are cool. I don't have to know that he has met someone. I don't have to know that there is someone, But if it happens that I find out that there is someone, then it will take me back to, we are in an open marriage. If you guys hear what I'm saying. If I find out, if somebody comes and says to me, Matsidi, so it won't hurt me because I had agreed. I don't want him to flaunt it. I don't want to know. I don't want to see anything. It must be hidden from me, but not hidden, He's doing it so that when I find out, at least I know where it was happening, but I don't want to see it. I think that will save my heart, But let's not talk about that. We don't talk about that situation, but we have an agreement. But we don't talk about it. If you guys understand what I'm saying, because I'm trying to protect my heart, because I have confirmed that Lamadota Lawa, like I've said on the Two Wins podcast when we were talking about this, the number of married men who are in serious relationships with other people out there, you will be shocked. And this is a fact, whether you like it or not. So I'm like, I should have an idea of what is happening so that I don't get shocked. But it shouldn't be brought like kapelaka. So mina ngisazazi manje ngisafuna ukuya lapho. I don't think I have inhliziyo. I don't think I have lenhliziyo ukuthi hape nna ke na le dipelaelo kore pelo ya ka e tletse dipelaelo yo. Once you show me or there might be something, so you better be clean, very, very clean, very clean. Don't do anything that will make me think something is happening, So guys, save your heart, Matsi. So you are fine, be single and happy, and you can go on date with different people. If this one say, let's go on a date, I'm free, I'm going on a date. I sleep peacefully knowing that nobody's child is cheating on me. Sleep like a baby. You know that when you sleep like a baby, you know that not anybody's child somewhere who's cheating on you, Matsi. So you sleep like an angel. So ngiyayithanda lento leyo, ngiyabahalela abantu bathi ukhona umuntu omthandayo, I know I can call this person, I can rely on this person has got my back. But when it comes to this thing of somebody doing something behind your back, mina ngiright ngiso. Loving somebody's child that you don't know where they are coming from, it's not a nice thing at all. It's nice like for a while, Once huhlahadi shenanigans around it. But let me tell you something that I've realized about South African men, especially rich men. Rich men in South Africa, they love dating celebrities. Like it shows me that almost every man in South Africa, once they have the taste of money, what makes them believe they are relevant is dating a famous girl. I tell you. And they don't even choose. Most men who are rich, it's like every man sitting there, they're thinking, the moment I make money, I'm going to date a celebrity, You know, I'm going to find a female celebrity, and you know what? With this one, got DJ Zinhle ukuthi this man pays for the house, and this man funded Ira, and DJ Zinhle is married, and this man is quite aware that DJ Zinhle. I'm not shocked at all. Even when they are married, that's the more they run after them. Rich men in South Africa, like they worship female celebrities, whether married or not. If these celebrities are married, that's the more they run after them because they want to compete with their husbands. That's the more they feel power. Uguti, let me give her money. Let me fund her. You know, they worship her. Because they want to show this celebrity's husband, I am more powerful than you. I can do this and I can do this for your wife. I've seen it with my own eyes, guys. That's what men do. Almost every man in South Africa, when they have money, I'm a man now, I've arrived, is to go and do something. You know, when our girlfriend here, you'll be sitting here. The man even giving you 10,000 will make him cry. But they don't mind buying houses for those female celebrities. Even if they have their own husbands and they are very much public, Mina, I have a husband, and then it's a picture perfect on Instagram. We know this lady is married, but a rich man somewhere is funding this lady. That's what I've realized about South African men. So if you're a woman and then you've realized that your husband or your boyfriend has got something like going on with a female celebrity in South Africa, forget Standwa Sami. Yazi ukuthi lo muntu lo uzoyidla imali kandoda yakho. Because that's what they want, or they love the fame also, or they love the behind the scenes of knowing ukuthi le celebrity le ngiyayifanda, I do this and this. But most men in South Africa who are rich, they always go for female celebrities. That's why baphila kamnandi kanje. You know, being a female celebrity in South Africa, you won't go hungry, because I've seen that rich men are always after them. You know, your husband, even if you can marry someone that you love who doesn't have money, that everybody will know. I love this one, he's my man, he makes me happy and everything. But you know that your funding comes from some rich man somewhere. You know, that's what I've realized. This is happening. I've seen it. So guys, I'm not going to call people by names, but I've seen it many times. It does happen. You're dating him, but when that female celebrity calls, like, oh, she's my friend, oh, she does this, oh, she does that. And then when they did, like, none of you have seen most married women who come out and complain about, you know, there's certain celebrity, my husband, this and this and this and this. It's all rich men, because that's what they do. You know, they somehow want to fund some female celebrity somewhere. So, I mean, I'm not surprised to hear that about DJ Zinhle. If she's been dating that guy and that guy has been funding her lifestyle, her businesses and the houses and all. Some buy cars. So, I'm not surprised and all. I can't say it's shocking, you know. Sometimes you find out even Meda knows, and then Meda will be saying, you know, that means a start. When you know that you love your man who's always with you, that the whole world knows. But if there is a man who's offering to fund you guys, because this man is offering, is funding both of you. Yes, if you're funding someone's wife, you're funding both of them. You are actually taking care of that woman and her man and her husband. That's what you're doing. So when we start, like, you become a side man to this woman, you know. So imagine you dating someone who's a side man somewhere else. Guys, when you guys say people are side chicks, side chick is even better. You know, I can go around and say, yes, I'm a side chick. But dating a side man or being married to a side man, I'm married. I'm your wife. I'm your wife. Like, you are my king. You come home, I respect you. You are everything to me. But somewhere you are funding, or you are a side man to this married celebrity girl. How embarrassing is that? And it does happen. It's out there. It's happening, guys. You know what? That's when you lose respect. That's when you lose. Mina like nka o golela tlhompho kaofela. Ho jwale wena bona. Yo, even la kata o reka ntlo eno go la kata o reka koloi eno, she goes on social media and thank her husband, knowing exactly that it's not her husband who bought the car, it's you. So things are happening in this world, guys. So I don't know. I just came here to say, guys, if open marriage works like that, it makes people happy. It makes people happy the way I see Meta and DJ Zintle being so happy. And then the other one is allowed to date and the other one is also allowed to date. I mean, I'll consider that. Let me check my heart. Mina ngisakwazi ukuthi ngifunani, guys. You know what? Hayi angisakwazi, guys. I think lento leyo mjolo inobungozi, ibungozi kakhulu. So hey, angisakwazi. But we'll see. Comment down below, guys. Tell me what you think of all the situation. You know what? I love you so much. South Africa is very interesting because we know tomorrow it's a build-up story. Tomorrow there will be something else. So comment down below and share the video broader and wider, guys. And I love you so much. And I will see you on my next upload. Bye-bye.